Hey, Lavita, how are you?
I am awesome.
Awesome. I see a few people behind you are having another event.
Yes, indeed. This is an awesome, awesome event. And I want to let you know about our event that's coming up. Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo.
Yes, May 5th. And it is going to be our prosperous, powerful, and passionate vision board party, and it is number 2.
That's right. That's right. You had one at the beginning of the year.
Yes, we did. And guess what? You need to be there. Remember, in Lake Mary. Be there. Look for it online. Look for it on LavitaLogan.com. Look for it all over. But look for it here all over.
Nice.
We will see you there.
See you there, Lavita.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.